In this episode of How Things Works, we will be talking about how your phone is able to charge without cable and connected cord, but just by placing it on a magnetic charging surface. Join me, Godwin, as we break it all down. You place your phone on a flat pad, no plug, no cable, just a light, and your battery starts climbing. But how? What's actually happening? Let's break it down, one layer at a time. Part 1. The idea of wireless power. You know how a microwave heats your food without touching it? Or how a radio picks up a signal through the air? Wireless charging is based on the same invisible trick. Magnetic fields carrying energy through space. I bet everyone has tried this before. Placing two magnets on a table or on flat surfaces like plastic or wood. Wherever you move one magnet, the other one opposite it moves too. But when you flip one of the magnets upside down, the magnetic field breaks and they start to repel each other. That's real science, and I think most people have experienced it, especially with a broken speaker magnet. If you haven't tried it, you really should. It's the same principle behind how your phone connects to a wireless charger. And this is the law of magnets. When you place your phone on the charging pad, it connects through an invisible force field called electromagnetic induction. Just like the magnets, energy flows in one direction. But if the alignment is off or flipped, it won't connect because the field can't properly link. Now inside your wireless charger, there's a loop of wire called a coil. And inside your phone, there's a second coil, same shape, just smaller facing the right direction to allow the invisible force connect. When electricity flows through the charger's coil, it creates a magnetic field that reaches just a few millimeters above it, kind of like a soft bubble of energy. If your phone's coil is inside that bubble, the field hits it and it starts pushing electrons in your phone's coil. Boom, electricity. That's the core trick. It's called electromagnetic induction. No wires needed, just two coils sitting close and aligned. And I will be making a part 2. How the energy gets in. The link is below. If you found this breakdown interesting, give it a like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more behind-the-scenes breakdowns of the world around you. This is Godwin, and now you know how the system works.